Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add social media icons to the header of your website on Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account, and click on Websites. Here, next to the website that you want to add the social media icons to the header on, click on Edit Website. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and as you see, no social media icons are actually on the header. So how to add them? First, select the header section like this. Click on Edit Header. Then jump to the Elements tab. And next to Show Social Icons, enable this option. And just like this, the social icons will show up here. Now, how to add your social links to those icons and also how to edit their color. It's simple. Click on Edit Social Icons. And here you can let's say that's your Facebook link. You want to edit your Facebook link. Click on this little wheel and select Edit. Here, fill in your page name and click on this check mark. Now, let's say that you don't use the LinkedIn. Simply, you can delete it from here. You can also reorder their social links order. And to add a new social link, click on Add New Link. And let's say you want to add your YouTube channel link. Write it like this. Name, click on this check mark, and automatically will be added to the bottom of the list, and it will use the correct social platform icon. Now you can also edit the icons size from here using this slider, and you can pick a different icons logo color from here. Let's go with this with white, like this. And now close this window, and don't forget to update your website to publish those new header social links. Now let's view the new social icons live, and as you see, the social icons are added to the header. And this is how to add social media links to the header of your website on Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.